In this video, 4 trending and new ideas for profile pictures are taught. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make the desired photo black and white. Then merge the 2 layers with Ctrl E. Duplicate the layer with Ctrl J. Click on the blending option. Turn off the red tick. Click on the exposure option and darken the photo. Create a new layer. Click on the pen tool and select the desired part. Press Ctrl Enter to select. Choose a pale yellow color from the palette. Press Alt Backspace key to color. Set the layer mode to overlay. Go to Filter. From Blur's episode, click on Gaussian blur to blur around the light. Copy the layer with Ctrl J. Make the photo black and white. Click on the rectangular marquee tool and select the desired area. Mask the layer with the Alt key. You need 2 photos for this idea. Press Ctrl T and resize. Right-click and click Flip Horizontal. Reduce the opacity of the layer. Make the photo black and white for better effect.